Today, we are here to ignite a fire within you, a fire so powerful it will transform the trajectory of your life. We are here to talk about something deceptively simple, yet profoundly life-changing: the mindset and habits to improve just 1% every single day. Because let me tell you something, life isn't about making massive leaps overnight. It's about consistent, incremental growth. It's about laying a single brick each day, knowing that one day you'll stand in awe of the masterpiece you've built. The power of compound growth. Imagine this: if you improve just 1% every day, by the end of a year, you'll be 37 times better than when you started. That's the power of compounding. Small, consistent actions create massive, transformative results over time. But here's the catch: the opposite is also true. If you decline by 1% every day, by the end of the year, you'll find yourself near zero. Your habits, your actions, your thoughts, they're either compounding to build your dream life or spiraling to erode it. So ask yourself, are you compounding for growth or are you compounding for decline? Because every single choice matters. Every decision is a vote for the person you want to become. The mindset of continuous improvement. Before we dive into habits, we must first address the foundation upon which all progress is built: your mindset. Your mind is the engine that drives every action, decision, and result in your life. Without the right mindset, even the best strategies will falter. To improve continuously and unlock your full potential, you must embrace 3 core beliefs that will serve as your guiding principles. 1. Growth is infinite. You are not a fixed entity. Your abilities, intelligence, and potential are not set in stone. They are dynamic and ever expanding. Think of your mind as a muscle. The more you challenge it, the stronger it becomes. This is the essence of the growth mindset, a concept popularized by psychologist Carol Dweck. It's the belief that you can always improve, learn, and adapt. When you embrace this mindset, you unlock the courage to take risks and the resilience to bounce back from failure. And failure, my friends, is not the end. It is feedback. It's the universe's way of teaching you, guiding you closer to mastery. The path to greatness is paved with lessons learned from setbacks and challenges. 2. Your past does not define you. Far too many of us are shackled by the weight of our past mistakes and disappointments. But let me tell you this: your past is not your prison, it is your teacher. Every failure, every misstep, every heartbreak has prepared you for this moment. They've shaped your character, fortified your resilience, and equipped you with wisdom. You are not the sum of your past errors. You are the architect of your future triumphs. Today, right now, is your blank canvas. The brush is in your hand. What masterpiece will you create? 3. Focus on the process, not just the outcome. Too often, we become obsessed with the destination, the 6-figure salary, the ideal body, the dream relationship. But the truth is, the magic lies in the journey. The daily grind, the incremental steps, the discipline to show up. Even when it's tough, this is where transformation happens. When you fall in love with the process, the results take care of themselves. Celebrate the small victories along the way, for they are the building blocks of monumental achievements. Remember, greatness is not a moment, it's a habit cultivated over time. By adopting these beliefs, you'll cultivate a mindset of continuous improvement, empowering you to evolve and thrive no matter what challenges come your way. Building habits that transform. Now let's talk about habits, because your habits are the architecture of your life. You don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. So how do you build habits that propel you toward continuous improvement? 1. Start small. You don't need to overhaul your life overnight. In fact, trying to do too much too soon is a recipe for burnout. Start small. Want to get fit? Start with a 10-minute walk. Want to read more? Commit to 1 page a day. Small actions are sustainable and they build momentum. Remember, 1% better every day. 2. Anchor habits to existing routines. Behavioral scientists call this habit stacking. Link your new habit to something you already do. For example, if you want to meditate, do it right after brushing your teeth. If you want to journal, do it with your morning coffee. Anchoring makes habits easier to remember and integrate. 3. Design your environment for success. Your environment shapes your behavior. If you want to eat healthier, fill your kitchen with nutritious options and remove junk food. If you want to focus better, declutter your workspace. Make good habits easy and bad habits hard. Your willpower is finite, so let your environment do the heavy lifting. 4, track your progress. What gets measured gets managed. Keep a journal or use an app to track your habits. Seeing your streaks build up is incredibly motivating, and if you miss a day, don't beat yourself up. Just get back on track. Consistency beats perfection. 5, celebrate small wins. Every step forward is a victory. Celebrate it. Did you exercise today? High five yourself. Did you read for 10 minutes? Smile and acknowledge your progress. Celebration reinforces positive behavior and makes the journey enjoyable. The inner game, mastering your mind. Habits are important, but they're only half the battle. The other half is mastering the inner game, your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. This is where true transformation begins, because no amount of external change can overcome a mind that is stuck in fear, doubt, or negativity. Mastering your inner game requires a commitment to consciously shape your mental and emotional landscape. Let's delve deeper into 3 key principles that will empower you to take control of your inner world. 1, control your focus. Where focus goes, energy flows. Your life is a reflection of where you consistently direct your attention. Are you focusing on problems or solutions? On scarcity or abundance? On fear or possibility? This is not just a motivational mantra, it's a scientific truth rooted in how our brains work. When you train your mind to look for opportunities, to find the silver lining, and to see the good in every situation, you're rewiring your neural pathways for success. But controlling your focus doesn't mean ignoring reality. It's not about pretending challenges don't exist. Instead, it's about choosing a perspective that empowers you. When faced with obstacles, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can I grow? What's the next best step I can take? This shift in focus turns setbacks into stepping stones and ensures that your energy fuels progress, not stagnation. 2, develop emotional resilience. Life will throw curveballs. That's a guarantee. What matters is how you respond. Emotional resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks stronger than before. It's not about suppressing your emotions or pretending everything is fine when it's not. It's about learning to navigate the storms of life with grace, courage, and wisdom. To develop emotional resilience, start by practicing gratitude. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant, fostering a mindset of positivity and hope. When challenges arise, take a moment to breathe deeply. This simple act calms your nervous system, allowing you to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively. Remind yourself that this too shall pass. Every storm runs out of rain. What feels overwhelming today may be a source of strength tomorrow. And remember, resilience is like a muscle. The more you exercise it, the stronger it becomes. Face your challenges head on, knowing that every difficulty you overcome adds to your arsenal of inner strength. 3, cultivate self-belief. You are capable of far more than you realize. But to unlock your potential, you must first believe in yourself. Self-belief is not arrogance, it's the quiet confidence that you can handle whatever comes your way. It's the conviction that you have what it takes to succeed. Start by speaking to yourself with kindness and encouragement. The way you talk to yourself matters. Replace self-doubt with affirmations of your capabilities. Instead of saying, I can't do this, say, I am learning and growing every day. Visualize your success. See yourself achieving your goals, overcoming obstacles, and thriving. This mental rehearsal trains your brain to recognize opportunities and act with purpose. Surround yourself with people who uplift you. The energy and beliefs of those around you influence your own. Seek out mentors, friends, and communities that inspire you to rise higher. And above all, take action. Every small step you take reinforces your belief in yourself and builds momentum for greater achievements. The ripple effect. When you commit to mastering your inner game and improving 1% every day, the impact goes far beyond your own life. You become a source of inspiration for those around you. Your energy, growth, and example create a ripple effect that touches your family, your community, and even the world. By becoming the best version of yourself, you empower others to do the same. Think about it. When you show up with confidence, resilience, and a growth mindset, you inspire your children, your colleagues, your friends. You remind them that greatness is within reach for anyone willing to put in the work. You become a beacon of possibility, proving that continuous improvement is not just a concept, but a way of life. In conclusion, the time is now. So my friends, the question is not, can you improve 1% every day? The question is, will you commit to the small, consistent actions that lead to massive change? Will you embrace the mindset of continuous growth? Will you design a life you're proud of, one brick at a time? The journey starts now. Not tomorrow, not next week. Now, because the future belongs to those who act today. Take the first step, lay the first brick, improve just 1%. And watch as your life transforms in ways you can't even imagine. You have everything you need within you, the strength, the courage, the wisdom. It's all there waiting to be unleashed. So go out there and live the life you were born to live, 1% better every single day. Let's make it happen.